Should we sit at this table? Okay, Teach. You promised to help me. No going back now. Look at this mess. Wanna run yet? I do. This stack is insane. The homework just keeps piling up. Soon it's gonna reach the ceiling. It's mostly math. But I have homework from my other classes mixed in here. Philosophy, economics. I need your help with math the most. I swear my brain just shuts off when I see equations. If you actually get me to understand this, I will be in your debt for the rest of my life. Because at this point, I've lost all hope of passing this class. I'll be grateful if you can even get me a D. I got stuck on, well, pretty much every problem, but let's start here. Problem 15. Can you explain it? Mm-hmm. I'm not following. It's not you. You explain things really well. It's just the material. I've never been good at math. It's definitely my worst subject. And the most annoying thing is, even when I do understand it, I never use it. It's useless. I mean, 2 + 2 = 4, sure, that's handy to know. But these crazy equations with a million steps to find the answer, when am I ever gonna need to know this? Exactly. Thank you. Thank you for saying that. My professor acts like it's vital. Ridiculous. I mean, it is if you want to become a mathematician, but for the rest of us, there are so many other things we could be learning. I wish this class wasn't a requirement. Let's go back a little. Let's start with, this one. It looks easier. What? Am I sitting too close? I just want to make sure that we can both read the problem. So, wanna explain it? In that really adorable way that you do, where you move your finger across the page as you read it off, and watch me so carefully to make sure I'm following along. It's sweet. Go ahead. Mm-hmm. Yep, totally got it. Well, no, not really. Can you say it again? Slower? And maybe with smaller words. I think I'm getting it now. So, wait, just to clarify, I'm supposed to do this? And then... which gives us the answer of 22. I got it. Oh, I did it. We did it. I've been putting off this problem for days. I took one look at it over the weekend and immediately gave up. I'm so far behind, I can't believe I might actually catch up. Maybe I'm getting ahead of myself. That was only one problem out of, like, 50. But still, it's such a good feeling. What would I do without you? Okay, on to the next problem. Not one of these. Yeah, I'm not even sure how to start this one off. Factorize the polynomial with substitution in quadratic formula? Huh? Yes, I know what the quadratic formula is. It's... It looks like that, right? Oh. Like that. Okay, can you show me how to do the next part? Thank you. I like watching you solve stuff. Your eyebrows scrunched together. You get all focused. I wish I could be more like you. You're so much smarter than I am. It is true. If it weren't true, I would be tutoring you right now, not the other way around. Well, I hope you're right about that. I hope this stuff doesn't matter. If this is the last time I have to use the quadratic formula, I will be very, very happy. I would like to study with you again, though. Even though the math sucks, I'm having fun spending time with you like this. It's nice having you teach me stuff. Maybe I could teach you stuff sometime. How much do you know about philosophy? I could recite you a little Socrates, Aristotle. You know, for the longest time, I thought it was pronounced Socrates. I had a very embarrassing first day of class. I wanted to crawl under my desk. The guy sitting next to me laughed at me when I got corrected. That's what I like about you. You never try to make me feel stupid. That's why you're the best. Okay, next problem. And it looks like a long one. I'm just gonna stay here, resting on your shoulder, so that when I fall asleep trying to solve it, I will not faceplant onto the table. Can you explain it? Wait, okay. So then I solve it by... like that. And then... Can I see the calculator? Like that. That's right, isn't it? Oh my gosh, I did it! I did that one like all by myself. Are you proud of me? Yay. Oh, you explained it so much better than my professor did. You should be teaching the class. Maybe then I would actually pay attention. Thank you so much for helping me. Really. Sorry too much? Well, in that case, you get another kiss on the cheek. It's the least I can do. You're so sweet. I'm feeling so much better about everything. Another hug. Come in here. I'm so happy. Oops, I should quiet down. I forgot we're in a library. Sorry, I got a little overly affectionate when I'm excited. I'm just so happy. And I owe it all to you. I honestly didn't think I'd get the hang of it this quickly. I thought for sure we would be working on the first problem for an hour until finally I'd give up and just accept that I am going to fail. But you turned everything around. Thanks to you, I might actually pass the class. You are an angel. Alright, let's do the next one. Flip the page. Wow, I think I'm getting a headache just looking at it. You too? Yeah, sure. Let's see if you can figure it out, and then you can explain it to me. Thanks, Teach. Take your time. I love watching you focus. You're so fast. How are you doing this? Is that the answer? Can you tell me how you caught it? Mm-hmm. I am listening. I'm just doodling while I listen. Okay, fine. No more doodling hearts. You have my full attention. Go on. Oh, that's it? Makes perfect sense. Oh, let's do the next one. It looks similar. I'll see if I can solve it on my own. But don't say anything. I want to see if I can do it completely by myself. Okay, hang on. Did I get it? Oops. I can't believe how easy that was. All it takes is a good tutor. I am gonna give you a big ol' kiss for every problem you help me solve. You just have the most kissable face. If I were your girlfriend, I don't think I would ever stop kissing you. What? Is that a crazy thing to say? Anyways, problem 25. Feel like explaining it? Wait, don't even finish. I think I get it. Let me see if I get it. And the answer is... Wait, don't tell me. $107.6. Really? I got it? That's amazing. You just kissed me. You just kissed me. Is that okay? Duh.